Welcome back. In our last module, we talked about what is graphic design. So I'll do a quick recap on what we talked about graphic design. Said graphic design is the art and practice of planning and projecting ideas and experiences with visual and textual content. Graphic design it involves the creation and arrangement of images, texts, shapes and other visual elements to communicate a specific message. The combination of all dis, the images, the text, the shapes, the colours and other visual elements in order to pass a message, dat is what graphic design is. Alright, so we'll move over to types of graphic design. We'll quickly talk about some types of graphic design and dat will be all for dis session. Okay, so we'll be talking about the first 8 types of fundamental types of graphic design, which are 8 in numbers. There are also more, but these are the fundamentals. Look at visual identity graphic design, marketing and advertising graphic design, user interface graphic design, publication graphic design, packaging graphic design, motion graphic design, environmental graphic design, art and illustration for graphic design. So in our course of dis training, we'll be picking from dis types of graphic design. We'll be having ideas and practical works on dis different types of graphic design. So after dis session, I would like you to browse more on dis 8 types of graphic design because we'll be touching one or two of dem. Okay, look at images on the visual identity graphic design. Then we have marketing and advertising graphic design. Okay, we have the user interface graphic design, which is more of the UI UX designs. We have the publication graphic design. We have the packaging graphic design, product designs. We have the motion graphic design. We have the environmental graphic designs. We have the art and illustration for graphic design. Okay, so we'll be touching one or more of dis type of graphic design. I'll be having practical knowledge of dem. Alright, so dis is where we'll be stopping out in dis module. In the next module, we'll talk ex ten sively on the principles of graphic design. We'll talk more on the principles using dis flyer as a case study. We'll talk about the principles of graphic design using dis flyer as a case study. Alright, see you in our next module.